So it was my birthday, and I did what any good artist would do. I spent my birthday money on art supplies. Come on in and open them up with me. Okay, let's just move this big pile and let's start, and I'll do the boxes first. So that way we can get those out of the way. Let me find, okay. So this one is from Jackson's in the UK. I even actually forget what I ordered. It's been so long. Of course, I had to review stuff first, and by the time I was done reviewing, 3 weeks had already passed. Oh, so it's kind of like a second surprise. All right, I love how Jackson's always packages stuff so nice. Okay, let me just make a little bit of room here. Okay. Yes, I'm trying not to buy art supplies right now, like unless I absolutely need something. So I'm going to be using birthday money and Christmas presents and stuff to get stuff that I want that maybe isn't what I typically buy. These are going to be fun things I can play with. Okay, oh wow. Okay, so I got... Oh shoot, I can smell them already. Me and my nose. I got some oil sticks made by Sennelier, and I just really want to try them. Oh wow, look at those. Oh, they're only little, they're so cute. Okay, they are so cute. I wanted to try them because I'm really interested in oil pastels. I haven't done them since, oh my goodness, since I was in high school, which was a long, long time ago. I won't even tell you when. And yeah, so I thought they might be nice because I can use them because they'll dry. And I can use these like on panels and stuff rather than just in my sketchbook. And I got the petite, oh my goodness, the Caran d'Ache Palette Acrylic, and I've been wanting this for a long time, and I had a hard time finding it. It's actually got a rough surface on one side and it's smooth on the other, so you can scribble your pencil or your Neocolor crayon onto it and then use a brush with water. So I thought that'd be really fun to mix colors for the palette, that'd be really fun to mix some colors and try it out in the sketchbook. So I got that. And I got some oil pastel pad by Sennelier, just to try it out. I mean, it's fairly pricey, but I thought it might be nice to try. This is what happens when you get birthday money. You buy stuff you normally would never buy. Okay, oh yes, I do know what this is. And I just got one big oil stick of the white because with anything like that, you go through way more white. Okay, so that's the first box. And then, I get so excited. It's awful, I'm like a little kid at Christmas. Okay, so then we have this. We'll do this big one next, just to get it out of the way. Alrighty. Oh. Okay, first thing I have is a fabric shaver, and that's not my birthday present. That's just something I needed. Oh, and some cables for my iPhone. Not art related. Okay, so here's what I got that I was really excited about. So I got some Mungyo Pastels to try, and everything I've seen on these, they say they're really good. These are for my sketchbook, and I also got some Paul Rubens ones. So I watched a few videos and I saw what people were recommending, so I thought I would try these two together, and sadly this is the only size I could find that was actually in Canada that could ship to me. the other ones I would have had to pay import and duty fees and stuff like that, and I just wasn't willing to do that. So I figured trying 24 would be good enough for now, and if I really like them, I'll find them, I'll hunt them down. So that's exciting, that'll be a video. All of these products are going to be in a video of their own. They'll be in like a review, trying out video. Okay, so I have no idea what this is. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, yes. Okay, so really excited to see these come. These are the Kuretake Gansai Granulating Watercolor set, and just look at the pictures on the package. They just absolutely look beautiful. So there'll be another video that I will make because I think they'll be great for backgrounds, and yeah, so we'll try those. Okay, last one. Oh, right. I really forget what I order, and then it's like, oh, a big surprise the second time. I got some Turner acrylic gouache. Now, I've used regular gouache, and I thought these might be nice to try just because they are permanent, and I have used acrylic. I do use acrylic, so I thought, oh, maybe I'll get the best of both worlds. So we'll see, but that'll be another video as well. So I'm so excited to try all my goodies. If there's something you see that you might want to see first, let me know in the comments what you'd like me to review first. And if you love unboxing videos, I have another one right here that you can click on and watch. Thanks for sharing the fun.